Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online using GIF this 2022. It pays with instant PayPal cash and it is available worldwide. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you, and you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. In my opinion, the most straightforward method of making money online, and it does not necessitate advanced technological skills. Let me clarify what a GIF is for those of you who don't know what it is. GIF stands for Graphics Interchange Format. It's a lossless picture format for both animated and static images. If you want to see what a GIF looks like, simply type it into Google Images and see what comes up. GIFs are similar to videos in that they are only a few seconds long. They don't have any sound or music. This one, like the last one, is a GIF. These GIFs have been circulating the internet, especially in Facebook comments, and we'll be using them to make passive cash online. The second step is to visit Giphy.com, a popular website that allows users to upload and download animated GIFs. They have a large selection of GIFs to choose from, including answers, entertainment, sports, stickers, and musicians. You may see all of their current GIFs by scrolling down their page. You can see some popular GIFs right here, and you can click on any of them to learn more about them. You'll also be able to click on some comparable GIFs. I'll show you how to turn these GIFs into a passive revenue stream later. As a result, I strongly advise you to watch this video all the way through to the end in order to understand all of the processes. In addition, I'll provide you with some exclusive extra money-making ideas, because not everyone is aware of these suggestions. Few people will tell you about them, and you'll only see them in my videos. You should really watch the whole thing. The next step is to type followers count into their search box before selecting the search icon. You'll be transported to this page where you can browse and choose from a selection of GIFs related to the number of followers. When you surf the website, you'll find that there are dozens, if not hundreds, of GIFs to choose from. This one appears to be neat and tidy, and it appears to be fantastic. So we may use it in the future to produce passive income. If you're not satisfied with these results, type followers count GIF into Google image search. It doesn't matter which one you choose, but I choose one that looks fantastic and is well kept because it will draw a lot more visitors in the future. All you have to do now is save the GIF to your smartphone once you've selected one you like. Save it to your downloads folder if you're using a laptop or PC, and to your media storage folder if you're using a mobile phone. As a result, I'll save this draft to my computer. You have entire flexibility to choose whatever you choose. In fact, you may choose many possibilities. So you're probably wondering what we're going to do with these GIFs and how we'll profit from them. So if you stay around, I'll show you how to make real money with animated GIFs. Payments are made directly to your PayPal account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up for one on PayPal's website for free. I'm not going to go over it because it's quite basic and you can always Google it. After you've saved your GIF, go to eClincher.com, a social media management service that helps social media administrators create and schedule postings. Their goal is to simplify social media marketing by providing a complete and user-friendly solution for engaging, monitoring, and expanding an audience across many social media platforms. This website is trusted by many businesses, agencies, and franchisees. You may view them below. As you can see, they are trusted by some of the world's most recognizable brands, implying that they are 100% genuine. Just below it, you can see some of their client testimonials and honors they've received. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. One of the best aspects of this website is that it can be linked to many prominent social networking sites like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google My Business, YouTube, TikTok, and others. You won't have to worry about managing social media to generate money with eClincher, so don't be concerned. That is a lot of work and it will take a long time to complete. We'll become a partner or an affiliate to make money on our website. For those who don't know, affiliate marketing allows you to make a lot of money without putting in a lot of effort. You can just put it up once and then sit back and watch the money roll in. I mean, isn't it incredible? Simply scroll down to the bottom of the website and look for the partner/affiliate button, which you should click. After clicking it, you'll be brought to this page where you can learn more about their partner/affiliate program. By scrolling down, you can see how much they'll pay out in referral commissions. As you can see, becoming an affiliate can earn you up to $100 per commission. You must first click on this blue button, following which you will be directed to this page, where you must complete the blanks with the required information. Simply fill out the essential fields and then select the appropriate option from the drop-down box. They accept people from all around the world, showing that it is a global system, as you can see. Check this box to agree to the terms and conditions after filling out your information. Then check this box to indicate that you are not a robot. And finally, click the sign up button right here. After registering an account on eClincher, you can now begin affiliate marketing. Go to imgur.com and establish a free account to move on to the next round. Simply click the green button at the top of the page and fill in the relevant information. You can also register with your Facebook, Twitter, Apple, Google, or Yahoo accounts. Once you've made an imgur account, you're free to do whatever you want with it. Simply click this new post button to be taken to this page where you can upload the GIF you just downloaded. You can either drag and drop it into this box or choose it from your downloaded files. You'll then be taken to this page where you'll be asked to write something about the GIF. You must produce something similar to this that will catch people's attention, and then remember to include your eClincher affiliate link in the description box so that when people view your GIF, they will also notice your affiliate link, and if they click on it, you will earn money. When you're completed, click this community button to make sure your GIFs gets a lot of attention. Select a GIF, save it, and then submit it to imgur with your affiliate link to repeat the process. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online using GIF this 2022. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.